Hi, this is a review of Honeyminer. Now you can download Honeyminer by clicking the link in the video description, and that will make sure that you go to the official Honeyminer website. This is software that uses your GPU power, your graphics processor, and your CPU to mine cryptocurrencies. So while you're not using your computer, as long as your computer's left on, this will mine cryptocurrencies and it will convert it into Bitcoin, and then you can send that to your wallet. So it's a really simple way to start mining cryptocurrencies. And it does check out as being virus free. I've checked it on virustotal.com, so you can see that it is free of all viruses and adware. It's totally clean according to every single virus scanner online. So definitely trustworthy piece of software. I would definitely recommend you download it, because other ways of mining Bitcoin have been so problematic in the past, so complicated to set up. But with Honeyminer, all you have to do is install it. You can go into the settings if you want to, but they're all pretty good as they are. And then it will show you your balance. You can refer friends so that you can earn a percentage of what they mine as well, and basically just make money with your computer in the background. So yes, this is one that I can recommend. Do download it through the link in the video description below, and if I can help you with anything, just let me know in the comments and I will answer every question. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. See you again in another video very soon. Bye for now.